Wheel loaders are a type of heavy equipment that is widely used in various industries, including the waste disposal industry. One of the wheel loader models that is popularly used in this industry is the wheel loader 836 from Caterpillar. The 836 wheel loader has a large bucket capacity, namely 5.5 cubic meters. This capacity is very suitable for loading large amounts of waste. Apart from that, the 836 wheel loader also has large power, namely 295 horsepower. This power is really needed to transport heavy waste. The 836 wheel loader has several advantages that make it suitable for use in the waste disposal industry. These advantages include large bucket capacity, great power, powerful performance, ease of operation, high security. The 836 wheel loader can be used for a variety of jobs in the waste disposal industry, including loading trash from truck to dump site, level the surface of the dump, dig a hole for a new dump, carrying out maintenance work at the dump. The 836 wheel loader is a very important piece of heavy equipment in the waste disposal industry. This tool can help increase the efficiency and productivity of waste disposal work. The following are several examples of the application of the 836 wheel loader in the waste disposal industry. At a rubbish dump in Jakarta, wheel loader 836 is used to load rubbish from trucks to the dump. This tool is also used to level the surface of dump sites and dig holes for new dump sites. At a rubbish dump in Surabaya, the 836 wheel loader is used to carry out maintenance work, such as cleaning drains and cutting trees. At the waste dump in Medan, the wheel loader 836 is used to transport waste to the waste processing site. The 836 wheel loader is tough and reliable heavy equipment for a variety of jobs in the waste disposal industry. 836 wheel loader for enhanced safety. The 836 wheel loader is equipped with various safety features that can help increase the safety of the operator and those around him. These features include forward collision warning feature, lane departure warning feature, emergency brake feature. Features a comfortable and safe operator seat. The forward collision warning feature will alert the operator if there is a possible collision with an object ahead. The lane departure warning feature will alert the operator if there is a possibility of the machine leaving its lane. The emergency brake feature will help operators to stop the machine quickly in case of an emergency. A comfortable and safe operator seat will help the operator to stay focused and alert while operating heavy equipment. 836 wheel loader for increased productivity. The 836 wheel loader is designed to increase work productivity in the waste disposal industry. This tool has a large bucket capacity and strong power, so it can load and transport waste quickly and efficiently. Apart from that, the 836 wheel loader is also equipped with various features that can help operators work more quickly and accurately. Wheel loader 836 for increasing environmental sustainability. The 836 wheel loader is designed to reduce the environmental impact of waste disposal work. This tool is equipped with a fuel-efficient engine and low emissions. Apart from that, the 836 wheel loader can also be used to transport waste to waste processing sites, so it can help reduce the amount of waste thrown into final landfills. The 836 wheel loader is heavy equipment that is tough, safe, productive, and environmentally friendly. This tool is the right solution to increase the efficiency and productivity of waste disposal work.